guys, so first you need to install the effect. So once you get my DRFX file, just double click it and you should see the following window with the install button. So click install, in my case it's override, and the text effect should appear under effects, titles, custom memories bin, and this is CYM action title 04. So let me drag it to the timeline. You can enable a render cache, so go to playback, render cache smart, and once this red line turns into blue, the animation is ready to play. So this is how the animation looks like by default. And now let's talk about the controls that you got in the inspector. So once you give a click to the title animation, you can go to the inspector, and under title and tab you have the controls to further customize your title animation. So of course you get text, you get font, color, size, tracking, line spacing, center, and you got possibility to control the glow. So can increase the glow, and you can change the color of it. So let's say I wanted to have it blue, or you can make it yellowish, and so on. If you change the color of the font, it will affect a bit the underlying glow. The title is of course transparent, so if I move it up and add a background beneath, so let me go to effects, generators, and let me choose a background. As you see, this is transparent. You can also use it as a transition. I add here a drone shot. Let me add my title on top of it. You can increase the glow to the point that underlying clip is not so visible. Let me enable render cache again. So this is how it looks. Or you can make a copy of it, like so. And the title that is beneath, go to the inspector, and let's say we want to increase the size of it and decrease the opacity. We can add some other effects from effects library, like I don't know, scan lines, and we get something like this. And we can add some green flavor, because that will match better the overall scene. Let's say this is what we want. We can make it shorter. And as you see, a lot is going on with this title, so we barely see what's happening underneath. So we can easily apply a transition, like a blur dissolve or cross dissolve underneath. So let me try to do it. We'll cut it somewhere here, and I will move it. Yeah. So as you see, we got the title that is actually, I forgot about the transition. Let's say cross dissolve, simple as that. And as you see, we've transitioned from the title between two clips. So yeah, the possibilities are endless. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. Cheers, and see you in the next one.